Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to continue talking about the Monstera plants. I've already done a couple videos where I've talked about how I water, the best way to water a Monstera plant, the best way to fertilize it, and then also if you're having leaf issues. So if you want to check out the other YouTube videos, I have those on the playlist as well. For this one, all I want to show you is what I think is the best pot for growing a Monstera. And if nobody's told you, I grow my Monsteras in a terracotta plant, or a terracotta pot, instead of a nursery pot. The reason is that these plants like to be slightly dry. They can't be too wet, and the terracotta pot allows you to water it, and the terracotta will keep a lot of air going through the soil and will let it dry out evenly. And you can also see how much water is in there. So if the pot is wet all the way at the bottom and it's completely soaked, you know that there's a lot of water in here. And then if it's dry like this, you can tell that it's all dry. So yeah, if you want to grow a Monstera, I would recommend growing it in a terracotta pot. It's really good for plants that like to have moist soil but like to stay on a little bit of the drier side. And it helps you from overwatering it. Like if you put it in a nursery pot, since it's plastic, it's going to hold in the moisture a lot more and you might get root problems. Yeah, so I would recommend terracotta pot for the Monstera.